Here's an absolute buttload of history. This is one of those Jezebel guns. This one came back from Afghanistan by a guy that was over in the suck, and he brought it back. And this is one of the nice ones. It's not one that's been made for the tourist trade. So here's the problem. Do I burn 30 or 40 man hours and make you guys a video on this that lasts about 20 or 30 minutes and then have 30 or 40 man hours worth of work just thrown away? Poof. I don't know. So I'm having a hard time deciding where I'm going to go from here. I haven't posted anything lately because our Lord and Master has decided that washing the mud off of something and then oiling it, it's just a bridge too far. So in order to test whether or not it was washing off oil and mud off of something, we're going to go ahead and possibly get my car dirty, clean it, and do an oil change. We'll see. It's the same deal. But we're working around this, and I don't know if there's going to be a workaround on it, guys. I'm probably the only guy on the entire internet that does what I do. And we have now been singled out. We are on the special high-intensity training list. And I know what being on the shit list feels like. So, I don't know. Going forward here, the only way you're going to get to see anything I do is on my Patreon page. Because we have figured out a way to put things on Patreon without getting them censored. So, we're looking at that. And we'll keep moving forward. My real desire is to keep my current library where it is. There are a lot of people that are pointing at this library, and if it disappears, there's going to be big holes. And I owe it to my patrons to keep the stuff inside their content hole active and viable. So if you're wondering where I went or what I'm doing, that's where I am. I'm in the timeout box here, and I don't know. We'll keep you posted. If you see something get posted, you better watch it right now. And if I get gigged twice more, my entire library is coming down, and I can't run that risk. Anyway, see you on the backside. Look for me on Patreon, because that's where all my content's going to be. We found a way to third-party host it over there. It'll be okay. Anyway, I ain't getting any younger. I've trained 17 apprentices, and I'm getting near the end of really wanting to put up with this blue-haired, cube-dwelling bullshit. So at the end of that day, remember to wear your safety glasses because you can't hear titties.